Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your deleted bookmarks, whether intentionally or you mistakenly delete your bookmark. Now, just as you can see, my Chrome browser is open and let's see where our bookmarks are. So these are my bookmarks. So if you go to the three dots here and then come to bookmark list, you can see that these are my bookmarks. So let's you mistakenly delete one of these, or just that you intentionally delete them and still you want them back onto the browser. So I'll show you how to get them back on this browser. So without further delay, let's get started. So let's minimize the browser, just as I said. To recover these bookmark files, we would have to navigate to where Chrome files are being stored or saved onto our computer. To have access to this, just go to this PC. So if you have this PC on your desktop, just open it, just as I've opened. Or better still, if you don't have it, just open your file explorer and navigate to your left side. You find this PC there, then you click on it to have access to your local disk drive. So now that our this PC is open, just as you can see, navigate to your drive C. So this is my drive C. So open drive C. And under drive C, you now go to users. Under users, so all the accounts that you have your PC, they'll all be on this users folder or the account that you are going to be working with. So open that account. So I am working with this account, which is Amnautech. So I now click on Amnautech. Once you open your user account, what you just need to do is that the folder that we are going to be navigating to is hidden. So we have to show hidden folders in order for us to have access to that folder. Now, to show these hidden folders, what you just need to do is that Windows 11, it is made easy. So go to this view here and then come to show, then come to hidden items. So now you can see that the folder has been refreshed and you can see there are other files there are other folders which are added up. So now we have this app data. This app data was not there, but once we show the hidden items, it's now available. So open the hidden app. Once you open the hidden app, go to local. Under local, you now come to Google, then Chrome, and then user data. Now you come to default. In here, on this folder, scroll down and look for bookmarks and bookmarks.back. Right, so we have these files here. So we are going to be working with these files. These are very important files. These are the files that are saving our bookmarks. So just in order for us to be on the safe side, what I recommend is that just copy them and back them to a safe place where after doing some changes within them, if it doesn't work, you just go back and copy them and then come and paste them back to this folder again. So what we just need to do is that, so copy them and put them in a safe place. So highlight both files and now copy them. So copy them, just as I said, so you can navigate to a folder where you think that it is a safe place for you. So I'll go to my downloads and paste them here, there. Right, so these are the files here. Now let's go back to the folder once again. So scroll down. Right, so we have the files here. Now this is the main file for the bookmarks, and this file you see that is .back. So that is the backup file for the bookmarks. So any bookmark that you save, it does create a backup file in case you mistakenly delete or intentionally delete them, so you can recover them back easy. So what you just need to do is that, because this is the main file and as at now we have deleted some of the bookmarks, so we will rename this file to bookmarks.old. So right click on it, rename it, and then now on the name, so add .old just to identify it. Now click on OK. Now the backup file, what we need to do is that rename that one too. Right click on it and rename. Now clear this backup dot. Right, so clear it and then click on it. Just as you can see, it says that if you change this file name extension, the file might become unusable. Are you sure you want to change this? So click on yes. So just as you can see, it's now the bookmarks. Why we are changing this file to bookmarks is that because this file is now going to be turned as our bookmarks, which is going to be our bookmarks file. Once you rename these files, and now the backup file is now our main file for the bookmarks, what you just need to do is that you just have to restart your Chrome browser. Once you restart your Chrome browser, you should be able to find your old bookmarks that you have deleted, whether intentionally or unintentionally. So they are all going to be listed within your bookmarks. So just as I said, so click on this. Now go to bookmarks and list, and then all those old bookmarks that you had earlier are all going to be populated within the list. And that is just how easy and simple it is to recover your bookmarks if deleted intentionally or unintentionally. So guys, if you found this video helpful, kindly leave us a like, and if you have any suggestion or comment, leave it in the comment section, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.